Them only have some rule, I must say, man, what the fuck them be like? Bust it, my dad. Who the fuck is that in the back there, Troy? Who the fuck is that?
You see you, Prince Swanny, you want little pussy too. Straight up. Cause you see you go on like you now blood clot do nothing. And you do a bag of blood clot things. Cause a man go a your yard and tell me say, when him go up at your house, a pure blood clot gun up in your blood clot house, Prince Swanny. So you fi stop give the youth them gun. You look like you don't have no sense still, you know. Cause when me a looking at your face, it look like you're retarded, dog. Straight up. But yo, good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Prince Swanny, you see you go on like you a saint and you nah do nothing. And you a big pussy hole. Because you do something, you know. I don't know how much people know about it, you know. But me I go tell the world about it. You understand? I'm here say a Jamaican artist is involved. And I don't know how true it is because me I try figure it out and me not really get no feedback on that. But with that said, me still have to mention him name. Because a man go Jamaica, you know. A man go Jamaica. And a man tell him, a man from St. Kitts go Jamaica. So me I go talk about that. Let's go. Yo, before me go into the video we want to talk about, we're going to St. Kitts. Yo, it's like them the three stooge or the four stooge. Yo, everything Prince Swanny say, the man them laugh. I want to listen to this. Look on that video, yeah. Come here and say them youth have some really blood-clad stooge them, you know. Yo, listen to this. Watch this.
Them only have some rule, I must say, man, what the fuck them be like? Bust it, my dad. Who the fuck is that in the back there, Troy? Who the fuck is that?
I don't know what is so funny. Me I give them a laugh. Me I give them a bell laugh. Here it go. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, anything Swanny say. If Swanny laugh, them laugh. If him cry, them cry. Yo, it crazy. The fourth dude. That's Med's boss right there in front of you. And the next youth are Plumpy boss. Now, them two youth here, you know, them nearly lose them life in a St. Kitts. Cause them go, St. Kitts go perform. And man nearly kill them. Them have to run out of them car, run in a bush, jump and hide. And me don't know if people know about it, but it look funny. Me I wonder how who set them up. Now, remember, big fat Yogi Bear, Brian Messiah, him come from St. Kitts, you know. And I wonder who him spar with. Everybody know who him spar with, you know. Okay. Now, me hear say a Jamaican artist did that with them. And the Jamaican artist, him also have to run for him life. So, when me hear that, me I say, wait. It kinda look funny. So here when me I say Prince Swanny. If you stop by gonna St. Kitts and give the man them. Cause that you do. You go over there and you corrupt the man them. Like how Squash come at Trinidad and corrupt the man them with 6. I idiot thing you go on with. Yo, you a big pussy hole Swanny. You go on like you know do nothing. And praise you are the worst man on the planet. But you, all you do, you go St. Kitts, you go Nevis, and you do, you corrupt the man them with the gun. You a big pussy hole. Now, me can't confirm this, but me here say Joshy did there and him did have to run to film life too. So me I say, Pum Swanny, when Byron go to Jamaica, why make you never go down there? Why make you never go to Jamaica, go hang out with Byron down in a yard? something a go on with you. My youth, you fi stop corrupt the youth. Them when I talk about Prezi and this and that. But you see, you is a little corruption youth. You go and follow Pussy Hole 6 Dan. Cause me I go do a video upon him too. Him a big pussy hole too. You understand? Because all I wanna a fuel the blood cleat murder the artists them. Look how much of the artists dead. Wanna bury the most artists on the planet. Retarded boy Swanny. Let me ask you a question. You not help none of your friend them at Trinidad, eh? You not help none of your friend them at Trinidad. I demand them stand up with you all the way, dog. And you get big, and you run the blood clot, get big fat yogi beer. Seen? No, you did there with 7, you switch, you left 7, you turn Z-Tech, then you left Z-Tech, you turn 6 again, now you run back to 7, now you are 6 again. Prince Swanny, change your bumper clock ways. Cause me a come for you, my youth. Me a come for you. Yo, with that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification button. Now, Shotty Mark, me not done with you either. You think me done, but me not done. Chronic Law, me not done with you either. 2 hours me not done with. I'm out.